We are at Disney's Hollywood Studios in Orlando, Florida, and about to go on Slinky Dog Dash. In this video, you're going to see the entire ride from start to finish. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification button so you get all the latest content. And comment below with which ride you would like to see next. Slinky Dog Dash opened in June of 2018 and has quickly become a favorite of both adults and kids. This roller coaster was imagined, designed, and built by Andy right in his backyard. This is the only roller coaster at Disney that has 2 launches during the ride, so I'd say Andy did a great job. We're going to ride this coaster at night, which gives you a whole different perspective of the park and the ride itself. And now let's sit back and enjoy the ride.
Here we go. Rough ahead and you're miles and miles.
That's so much fun.
You just remember what your old pal said. Son, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me.
This is my favorite song.
Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed that.
And that was the Slinky Dog Dash ride at Hollywood Studios.
Come to a complete stop. Remember to grab all your stuff and step out. Right. So long, pal.
We hope you enjoyed the ride. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and until next time, my friends, thank you for watching.